Yeah, parrot fish.
Oh yeah, parrot?
Yeah.
They got like a doctor fish here. Keep going.
It's an island. Boy. Boy. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Tyrone Island. Is that hand line? Hand line? Yeah? Oh, trolling. Nice. Keep going. Oh, guys.
This looks like dinner tonight, guys. Rushi and her husband will cook show us the cooking skills. Yeah.
Wagwan, beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode. Fishing in Fiji. Yeah, man, as you guys saw from the last video, I didn't catch anything on the lure. I'm back out this evening again to see what can happen. Trying to walk out on the reef here in my slippers. Let's see what will happen, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. It's kind of hard to walk out here. One thing I haven't seen in Fiji is what we call sea egg or sea urchin. In Jamaica we'd see so many of them in the reef, but here I don't see anything like that. Alright, so I'm going for my first cast, guys. There's some kids here coming down. I'm close to the edge, but I don't want to go too far though. Let's see if this hedge or ledge. Oh, there's a longjaw following it. That's the first good sign I've seen. Or a needlefish. See if I can go. Oh shit! See any big fish out there? Yeah. Come on, there must be something out there for me. No? You spearfishing? Catch anything? Catch anything? Where's the fish? They got the fish? Yeah? Big one? Oh, they're walking on the reef barefoot. Good thing it don't have sea urchin. I wasn't gonna chance it anyway. Nothing here for me, it seems. I'm throwing line. You guys dive. Yeah. Ooh. Where's your snorkel gear? Glass. These kids are so cool. Ooh. Huh? Wait. Don't move. Go on. They have the fish?
You're fishing.
Yeah. Is that your spear? Your spear gun? They're using no snorkel gear. You want picture? Yeah?
No.
Say bula?
Yeah. Bula, my friend.
Bula.
Bula.
This is a deep ledge, guys, but not getting any bite. Oh, I see nice fish down there. Don't know what kind of fish they are though.
You can wait. I no wait.
Wait? You're teaching me? Oh, look at all the bait fish out there. Yeah. What's your name?
Ben.
Ben? Ah, your name? Jim? Tyrone.
Betul. Wangga biru kai kai. Mimi. Ambil.
Huh?
Wait.
Wait?
Fishing.
Okay, he's teaching me, guys. He said to wait. But my lure is gonna sink. I don't know if it's more reef out there.
Wait.
Careful. Careful. Voila! See what the fish. Can I see? Oh, nice fish. Yeah. Oh, they're like parrot fish.
Yeah, parrotfish.
Oh, yeah, parrot?
Yeah.
They got like a doctor fish here. Oh, nice catch. Nice. Island, you see the fish? Big fish. Careful with the spear. Island. Careful with the spear. Yeah. Like honestly, I call these people in Fiji the water people. I don't call them islanders because they literally know to move around in the water. Like these boys are just out of this world. Huh? You pee?
Yeah.
Nothing is wrong with that. You're in the water.
Lucky.
Yeah. You good?
Yeah.
You got sun in your ear, boy. Bend down. Gonna have to give you a dip. Quick one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. There you go. Good boy. Hey boy. Alright, let's go see mom. Come. Oh, this sun is so sinky. Let's go see mom.